Why you can't see your reading list in Chrome browser? So in this video tutorial we are going to talk about where you can find it, the reading list, how you can use it, and lots more. So let's start with the video, guys. Before you start, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so first what you need to do, just open your Chrome browser and check whether it is updated or not. So how you can check it, just click on this side, this three dot option, go to the help and click on group about Google Chrome, and here it will show if your whether your Chrome updated or not. Okay, so it is up. If your Chrome is up to date, then it's okay, or if it is not updated, just update it. Okay, now just read open your Chrome after update, and now you can see on top right side you can see the option called site panel. Under the site panel you can see the two option, a reading list and bookmark. Basically you can use this one also, but all your save bookmark you can see here. And reading list, simply you can add your current tab here. Okay, how? I just open one article page, and if I want to add some current article, so I just need to open the article on tab, and now just open this site panel and just click on add current tab. So it will be add to the, so actually it is already added by me, so it is not showing. So if I add now, so it will be add here. Okay, so you can add anything, like you can also add another article. So that is how you can use the article. If you want to open again, then just click on this side panel again and go to your reading list and click on this link. Okay, you can also remove from here if you want. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.